Hello everyone, presenting a Garo Volumizer Hair Dryer. It comes with activated charcoal bristles, 360-degree airflow vents, anti-scalding tip, 2 speed and 3 heat settings, rotating knob, 360-degree swivel powered cord along with long cord. Just rotate the knob and set the speed and heat setting, and it is ready to use. It comes with 1200 watt motor. It has tourmaline ceramic brush head. Within few minutes, it will dry my hair. Also, add volume to my hair. Easy to carry everywhere due to its compact size. See, within 2 minutes my hair gets dry. So it is amazing. Must buy this from Amazon.